Myself, Dr. Shruti Sareen, PGT Accountancy from Khalsa College International Public School. I would like to thank Khalsa College Governing Council for giving me this opportunity to present a lecture on topic An Introduction to Accounting. Under this topic, we will discuss the meaning of accounting, characteristics of accounting, objectives of accounting, limitations of accounting, and branches of accounting. So let's start with our first topic, that is meaning of accounting. Accounting is a systematic process of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting, and communicating the financial information to its users. As it is a communication process, so it is also known as language of business. As we have already discussed in the meaning of accounting, that it is identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting, and communicating the financial information to its users. So all these points cover under the characteristics of accounting one by one. So we will discuss all these points one by one in characteristics of accounting. So first point is identifying financial transaction. Accounting process starts with the identification of financial transaction in terms of money or as an economic activity. For example, purchase of raw material or sale of finished goods. All these cover under economic activity. All the financial transactions are identified with the help of an invoice or a bill. So after this identification of financial transaction, the next step is measuring. Under this measuring step in accounting process, measuring means measuring the financial transaction in terms of money. Money should be the currency of the country. So it means in India all the financial transactions are recorded in Indian currency, that is Indian rupee. After the identification and measurement of the financial transaction, the next step is recording the financial transaction. And recording of financial transaction is done in the book of accounts, that is known as book of original entry, that is journal. Journal is further divided into subsidiary books, and these books are like cash book, sales book, purchase book, sales return book, purchase return book, etc. So after recording the financial transaction, the next step comes here is classifying. Classifying means grouping all the transactions of same nature under one head. That is, for this purpose, we use principal book of account, that is ledger. So in ledger, all the accounts of same head comes under one head. Then after this, the next step comes here is summarizing. After identification, measuring, recording, and classifying the financial transaction, summarizing comes, and for this summarizing, we prepare the trial balance, trading account, and profit and loss account, and balance sheet. And all these are collectively known as preparation of financial statements. After this, the next step which we do in accounting process is analyzing and interpreting. It is the most important step because analyzing and interpreting the financial results are very important for the management to decide the future plans. After this, last step comes, that is communicating. Communicating the financial information to its users. And there are two types of users. One is internal user and another is external users. Internal users comes under, it means owner or management, while external users are like creditors, suppliers, public, researchers. All these comes under external users. And this information, accounting information, is important for both of them because it is helpful to them to take appropriate decisions at right time. So we have covered all the 7 points of characteristics in this topic. After this, the next topic is objectives of accounting. And objectives of accounting means the aim of accounting, why we are doing accounting process. So first important aim of accounting is to recording the financial transaction. Recording the financial transaction is very important because it is very important to record each and every record of the business in a systematic manner. After this, the next important objective of accounting is determining the profit and loss of the business. For determining the profit and loss of the business, the profit and loss account or income statement is prepared. Then the next objective is determining the financial position of the business. It is very important for any business house to know the financial position of the business. And to knowing the financial position of the business houses prepare the position statement or balance sheet. The next point in the objectives comes, that is facilitating the management. All the accounting is done because it is helpful for the management to decide about their future plan. So they generally do accounting process because they have to analyze their plans so that they can take better decision in future. After that, the next step is providing accounting information to the users. As we have already discussed that there are two types of users, internal as well as external users. So it is very important for them to get the accounting information so that they can take appropriate decision at right time. So this is all about the objectives of accounting. After this step, we will discuss the next topic, that is limitations of accounting. In limitations of accounting, I have taken three main topics. That is, first one is accounting is not fully exact. Why it is so? Because although accounting is based on evidences, but there are some chances of estimation to ascertain the profit and loss of the business. So we can say accounting is not fully exact. So it is one of the limitation of accounting. The next step is the next point, which is the limitation of accounting, is unrealistic information. As accounting is based on the concepts and conventions of accounting, but there are some concepts or conventions which give the unrealistic information. Like going concern concept, it is saying that business is for unforeseeable time period, but we can't judge the time period of any business. So it is one of the limitation of accounting. After this, the third point that I am going to discuss here is accounting ignores the qualitative element. In accounting, as we have already discussed, money matters a lot. So we record only the things that can be expressed in monetary value. But in this is the limitation of accounting, because we ignore the qualitative aspect of accounting. Like we ignore the skills of management, public relation, etc. All these top points are not covered under this accounting. So these are the limitations of accounting. Now the next topic that I am going to discuss here is the branches of accounting. And in accounting there are three main branches, that is financial accounting, cost accounting and management accounting. Financial accounting, as we have already discussed, financial accounting means it is that branch of accounting which includes recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing and interpreting and communicating the financial information to the users. The next one is cost accounting. In cost accounting is that branch of accounting in which we study the cost of the business houses and try to reduce and control the cost of the business houses. After this, the third one is management accounting. Management accounting is the most developed or developing branch of accounting. In this, it is useful for the single user group, that is management, because they have to take the decision related to future. So this is all about today's topic, and I am going to recall all the topics one by one that we have discussed so far. So first of all, we have discussed the meaning of accounting. That is, accounting is a systematic process of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting and communicating the financial information to its users. After that, we have discussed the objectives of accounting, in which we have discussed recording the financial transactions, determining the profit and loss of the business, determining the financial position of the business, providing assistance to the management, and providing accounting information to the users. After that, we have discussed here the limitations of accounting. The first limitation was accounting is not fully exact. Then the second one, unrealistic information. Then the third one was accounting ignores the qualitative element. After that, in this topic, we have discussed branches of accounting. There are three main branches of accounting, that is financial accounting, cost accounting, and management accounting. So this was all in this module. I hope it is clear to all. Thank you. Thanks a lot.